Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Diddly Has Plans. In today's video, I am giving you a sneak peek of two of the advent calendars that I purchased and my latest order from Lemon and Honey Studio. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, so I am super excited because this is the first time I've ever purchased an advent calendar, and I went a little overboard or crazy and I bought the advent calendar from Fern Creek Stickers and the calendar from HanCamp Plan. I'm thrilled. I was debating on how I want to do this. Do I want to just open them all so you can see them? Do I want to do it day by day and then just post it on Instagram? So I kind of think I've decided what I'm going to do. I also have an order here from Lemon and Honey Studios that's going to round out all of my December kits. And so I thought we'd just kind of take a sneak peek at everything together. So I'm going to start with putting everything to the side. And let's open up the Lemon and Honey Studio package. Okay, so let's take a look at the freebies. This one here is so cute. It's got wrap presents, mail cards, visit Santa, decorate the tree, and a cute little marquee box here. So just some kind of task list things to do, getting ready for Christmas. And then here is the November freebie. And it's got, oh, I love this color. I love this grayish blue. Some stars here that you can use as trackers. That looks like a kettlebell. Habits. That looks like a Peloton. Do the dang laundry. I love that. Self-care unplug. TV, family time, library, no spend. This is a great freebie sheet. I love how big it is and all the cute things. Okay, so those are the freebies. So first we have here, Deck the Halls. And this is a vertical weekly that I purchased. So we've got here the washi. This is so gorgeous. So my friend Saya from Saya Planning did a kit with this pattern last year, and I used it in January. It was so gorgeous. And so when I saw that Lemon and Honey Studio did it as a weekly kit, I wanted to check it out and see how they used the artwork. And so gorgeous, right? I love the colors of this. So we've got washi here. We've got scripts and sidebar. I love this. Look at these cute little stickers here. They've got a scallop edge on the bottom, but they're straight on the top. Cute. And then look at this box. I love this with 3 checklists. That is super cute. Little stitched boxes there. Some habit trackers, all the scripts, cute little planner, grocery bag, and then some utensils here. That same cute marquee box. I love these for special occasions. Those are really cute. And then we've got here boxes and labels. So some checklists here, cute little scallop labels, stitched functional as well as the decorative. I love that. That's cute. And then the full boxes. So I loved this. Joy and Deck the Halls. This is such a pretty use of the patterns. I just thought these were so gorgeous. And I love these with like the wood background. It kind of reminds me of my desktop here. So darling. Okay. And then this is washi and date covers. So here are the days of the week with the dates, and then more of the beautiful washi. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, so that is Deck the Halls. And then my next kit is Jolly. And for this one, I got some of the glitter headers. We've got scripts and sidebar again. Again, just really bright jewel tone colors. I thought it was cute. Boxes and labels. Look at how cute these boxes are with the little Christmas tree and the little gifts. I like that. So sweet. Really cute. And then look at how cute these boxes are. And I love like just the colors. I love the teal and the pink and this kind of like bright goldish color. Ho, 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 jolly AF. Just cute. I thought it was kind of a fun spin on Christmas. And then washi and date cover. So here's this gift box washi. Days of the week. And then this is, okay, so now we're going into the December monthly. Look at this beautiful deco here. This is sort of on that thin, sort of like washi sticker paper. Let me see if I can peel some of it up. So you can see here, it's kind of translucent. I don't know if you can kind of see my finger through there. Isn't that pretty? I loved the poinsettias. Hello, winter, let the magic begin. And then we have here the monthly header. What I love that they do is how they do sort of this die cut. So the shape of the sticker actually is cut around the flower. So that's really cute. I love that. There's some deco pieces here, some functional and decorative boxes. And then this is the other side. It's the most wonderful time of the year. How pretty is that? So cute. And then lots of holiday scripts here, the days of the week, and some cute little decorative things here. Paydays, flags, canceled, and then the date dots. I love that. This freebie coordinates really well with this kit. So that's my monthly. I believe this is my Erin Condren, so I'm going to use this in my social media. Look at all that, how pretty that is. And then we've got the Jolly and Deck the Halls. So those are all of my kits from Lemon and Honey Studio. Okay, now, this is the advent calendar from HanCamp Plan. She wrote this beautiful card. This is her first ever advent calendar, and I love her kits. I use them from time to time, and so I was like, you know what? I think this is a great way to get a ton of stickers from her shop. And so she wrote this cute card. It's her first advent calendar. Of course, you know how they work. Each of the envelopes will be numbered, and you can open one each day, or you can open them all at once. It's totally up to you, but that is that. And then she included her favorite ruler as just sort of a special gift. I love these red Westcott rulers. So we use these rulers in my fashion design school that I went to. And so I love that she sent us the tiny little 6-inch one. So cute. Okay, what I thought I would do is I decided I'm not going to open up all of my envelopes at once, but I did just kind of want to share with you what her advent calendar came and what it looks like. Oh, how cute. So she's got these cute little black and white polka dot envelopes. And they're like a little paper bag. That's so cute the way she did this. So each day, Advent 1, day 2, etc. So here are all 25 of her envelopes. So cute. So I decided I'm going to open them one day at a time because I love advent calendars. I didn't want to share them all and expose them all to you at once. So what I think I'll do is, because I don't think it's like something I would put a video together, like maybe this is my way of learning how to do like a YouTube short, and I'll do them as shorts, or I'll just post it on Instagram. But I just wanted you to see how cute she put her calendar together. So that is HanCamp Plan. And then I wanted to show you, this is the Fern Creek sticker. So I bought this one because, well, I love Elizabeth's shop. When she used to do PR teams, I was on her PR team. My friend Gabriella from Gabriella Plans It bought her Advent last year, and I didn't. And so I would go to her Instagram every day to see what was in the calendar. And I was so envious that she had such a beautiful month of stickers and just fun things. So this is, look, dear sticker lover, this is so cute. So this is her little note to all of us. She has a hashtag FCS Advent. So she wants us to share posting it. So what she has is a day 0 envelope. So you open that as soon as you get your Advent calendar. So we'll have to take a look for where that is. So this is day 1 because of the number 1 here. And it's quite hefty. Cute. And then look at this darling little bag here. This is great for travel. I love the seersucker stripe, purple and white, so cute. I am going to be hard pressed to keep Emma from stealing this from me. So let's take a look and see if we can find day 0 in here. So, oh, look at how cute. This is obviously washi, friends. Look at how cute her little polka dot with the stickers on it. How cute, the little blue and the pink. Okay, so let's see. So here's a couple of different packages, and then here are her envelopes. I'm gonna put this to the side. There's so much going on here, friends. So here's the day 0, and then you can see here the rest of the days, 2, 3, etc. How fun is this? Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead. I'm going to move these a little bit out of the way here, and let's take a look at day 0 because I have permission to open day 0 as soon as I get this. Okay, open this when you get your Advent calendar. So let's take a look. I'm excited. Oh, look. Oh, there's something else in here. Oh, there's something more in here. Okay, I think I have everything now. Okay, so what is this? Let's see. Oh, these are like transparent dots. Like you could put these over the dates in the little, in the little calendars on your planner, or you could put them over the monthly, like monthly dates. How cute. Okay, so then here is Advent trackers. Open day 0. Oh, how cute. You can put this all over your planner. How cute is that? And then these are, oh, so like these are each week of the upcoming year, I believe. Yeah, 2023 kit organization. You might want to save these until you open day 1. Okay, very cool. So you can put these like, this is the kit I'm going to use for this week and this week, etc. How fun. Okay, so that's a great little like precursor to the Advent calendar. How fun is that? All right, so friends, like I said, I want to open something each day because I love gifts. So I will open each day from Fern Creek stickers as well as HanCamp Plan, and I will either try to learn how to do a YouTube short or I will post them on my Instagram. Definitely will post pictures on my Instagram. So I'm going to go ahead and pull in a little bit of everything for our final shot. Alrighty, friends, there's just so many good things here. I'm so excited for the month of December. All right, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.